Hello everybody, today we're going to paint together this brick wall. What you need is a geotriangle and a soft pencil, HB. And first of all we're going to draw some help lines like this. You don't have to draw all the mortar lines, just a few to keep your bricks straight. So now I'll take my brush, a size 10, flat one, and we'll use three colors, a Mars brown, and we'll make a puddle of this here. And then the next color is some burnt umber. That's a brown color with a little bit of red in it. So we'll make a puddle here. And then the last one is the yellow ochre. And we will make a puddle here. So now take my brush, my flat size 4 brush. This is from Da Vinci, and I start from top to bottom, and I put just a few bricks like this, working very precisely, and I'm going back and forth to the different colors. So I dip my paint in sometimes the burnt umber, and now in the yellow ochre. And when I think a brick is too light, then you can just add a touch of another color in it, so it will blend in the brick. Like this. And try to keep the space between the bricks as small as possible, so it leaves a very tiny white line between the stones. So I've moved my camera now so you can see how small the space is between the bricks. It's very important to paint very precisely. It's you mustn't rush it. So find a time and place with no distraction and just paint the bricks one by one. Mix the colors and you'll see it gets a very nice result. So I'll leave you to it now. I'll put some music on and watch me paint, okay? So now I'm getting my smaller brush, the size 1 from Van Gogh. It's a very small brush, and well, I don't have space to use the flat one now, so I'm going to paint the contours of the bricks with the smaller brush. Like this. So now I have space again, and I'll get my flat brush, a size 4 again, and I can finish this last piece of the wall, the bottom part. So now moving upwards and finishing the upper part of the wall. And for the final bricks, I have to use my smaller brush again and like draw the bricks, outline them, so I get nice straight lines like this.